Hey, today we're weighing in on the best kitchen scales of 2024. Etekcity EK9000 is a very precise instrument with a high sensitivity sensor that offers accurate readings to 5 kilos. It has dual increments of 0. This flexible scale enables for quick unit change between Oz, LB, G, FL, Oz, and ML, as well as a tare button for accurate measurement of products. Its 3-on-4 food-grade stainless steel surface makes it easy to clean and store. The 2.5x 1-inch vivid LCD display offers outstanding visibility and reading. It is conveniently powered by 2 pre-installed AAA batteries and has an auto-off function after 2 minutes to save battery life. Escali Primo. For most home baking and cooking purposes, the inexpensive Escali Primo digital scale is the finest option. In our tests, it was one of the fastest and most accurate scales we tested, with one of the longest auto-off times. The Escali Primo scale is also easy to use, with a 2-button interface and a conveniently raised platform that allows you to view the digital screen even when using. It's a small, lightweight scale that won't take up much room in a drawer or cabinet. The Escali Primo scale was also one of the most responsive models we examined, reading weights in less than a second, regardless of whether we added or removed things. Some of the other scales took 2 or 3 seconds to settle on a measurement, and a few even changed their readings over time. OXO Good Grips. The OXO Good Grips, 11-pound. Stainless steel food scale with pull-out display is intended for accuracy and convenience. The stainless steel surface is smudge and fingerprint resistant, providing a clean appearance. And here, it has a 0 function for tearing, which allows you to reset the scale before adding further components. The digital display shows big, easy-to-read figures. The scale incorporates a retractable base for ease of cleaning. The pull-out display eliminates shadows from huge, assuring visibility. On top of that, the unit conversion button allows you to measure in ounces, pounds, grams, or kilograms, giving versatility for a variety of recipes and requirements. Greater goods. Kitchen scale combines superior functionality with a stylish appearance, making it ideal for use in the kitchen and throughout the house. It has a huge, ultra-accurate single-sensor weighing platform with quick touch keys and a strong structure. This flexible scale can weigh up to 22 pounds, making it great for bulk food measures and other household activities. It has a single-gram resolution and measures in 4 units: gram, ounce, milliliter, and pound. And its tare function zeroes the weight of things on top, while the hold function keeps the screen on longer for convenience. Its elegant modern design, which includes a high-definition VA LCD display and chrome accents on the stainless steel platform, assures that it will suit any fashionable kitchen decor. Ooni Dual Platform. Digital scales are an important kitchen item for exact ingredient measures, especially for making pizza. These scales have brushed stainless steel platforms and a dual LCD display, allowing measures to be viewed on both platforms at the same time. They are ideal for measuring even the tiniest amounts of salt and yeast, as they have an accuracy of 1/10 of a gram. With these accurate scales, you can streamline your pizza prep and assure flawless dough every time. They also contain a custom-fit measurement dish for yeast or herbs. The Ooni digital scales are quick and simple to use, providing dependable and accurate measures in seconds and increasing your culinary experience. KitchenAid's KQ909 Dual Platform. Digital kitchen and food scale is intended to provide optimum versatility and precision. It has 2 platforms with different capacities. Platform 1 can weigh up to 11 pounds with 0.1 ounce increments, while Platform 2 can handle weights up to 16 ounces with 0.001 Oz increments. Its stainless steel surfaces are long-lasting and simple to clean. The scale features a unique 2-line backlit LCD reading that displays weights for both platforms at the same time, making it ideal for multitasking in the kitchen. The tare feature makes it simple to measure numerous ingredients in a single container by zeroing off the weight between additions or before adding food. And that concludes our video. We really hope you enjoyed our video. Click on the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you, and see you guys in the next video.